Some intriguing new images have popped up in the drone community, showing what looks like an unreleased DJI remote controller packed with professional-grade features. This might be something special, so let's break it down. The design immediately stands out, shared by DJI leaker Osital V, and later highlighted by Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov. The controller features an elevated display mount that looks built for serious field use. But what really grabs attention are the ports. There's a microSD card slot, a USB-C port, and most importantly, a dedicated HDMI output. That's a big deal because HDMI ports are typically reserved for DJI's professional controllers like the Smart Controller and RC Pro. For professionals, the HDMI output is invaluable. It lets you mirror drone footage to external monitors, something essential for first responders, film crews, or enterprise operations where every detail matters. This port setup signals that DJI might be gearing this controller toward the pro market. Speculation is already swirling. Some are calling it a DJI RC 2 Pro based on the folding design, but the inclusion of features like the HDMI port suggests it could be an entirely new addition to DJI's professional lineup. The surprise? The controller was photographed alongside what appears to be a prototype Mavic 4 Pro or Cine drone. It's worth noting that this is still a prototype, and hardware like this can go through a lot of changes before release. DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, but if this controller makes it to market, it could be a great option for those who need a serious upgrade for professional use. What do you think? Could this be DJI's next big step for pro users? Drop your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more updates on this and other drone news.